This will be setup of Tapo C645D kit. This is our battery-powered dual camera system. So we're going to come here, we're going to press the plus sign, add device, and we're going to search for it because there's a lot of cameras. Probably an outdoor camera though. Yeah, we're just going to search for it. There it is. We're going to select the power on the device, lift this up. We're going to press the power sign right there. Okay, red light. Camera on. Says camera on. It's flashing red and green as it is depicted here. We're going to hit next. Going to connect via Bluetooth. And always remember to pick up and hold your pan tilt cameras because they're going to move around on you. But it has detected it, searching for Wi-Fi, has my Wi-Fi information saved. But when I hit next, it's going to show me that again. So I'm going to turn that so you can't see it. But I did hit next on my password information again. It said connecting to Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi connected.
And it's all connected up. So we're going to give this a name. So we gave it a name. Now its location, we're going to leave it at the garage. That was it getting added to my Alex A. And we can select an image for this, which we'll do this one and hit next. And configuration complete. Sounds good. Do you want to try Tapo Care? You don't need to use their cameras. So I'm just going to say, got it. Don't need it. Set up your localized storage. So you're going to put your micro SD card in there, which I've already done. And then when do you want this to look for updates? I'm going to select this one because I have a lot of other cameras at the default time. I'm going to hit next. Turn on smart dual tracking. Yep, want that. Tap to focus. Yep, want that. And then this is going to pop up the Wi-Fi, but also show you my face behind the camera here in a moment. But we're going to hit next, and then it's just going to walk you through placement and so forth. Next. Don't use with glass. Okay. Proper placement. Next. Swipe, swipe, swipe. Okay. Next. You can either charge the batteries using power or the solar, giving you examples of how you're going to do this with the solar kit. We're going to hit next. How are you going to mount this? I would use the kit. That's why I would do it. And then it'll walk you through how to do the kit. We're going to skip the test and it's testing things again. And there you saw my face. So all set. Everything's finished. So it should be listed right here. And right now the battery is a little low. So hi, this is your smart camera. Walks you through all the stuff. Got it. That was set up.